Hi, thanks. So I'm Uri, I'm the CEO and co-founder of Latent Energy. Higher, okay. So we started Latent Energy with a vision to redefine plastic recycling, turning it from a burden or a cost into a profit, and doing so through a novel concept. So our journey started with a thermodynamic analysis of plastic recycling, showing that it's impossible to recycle plastic as a single stream in a way that it's going to be either or both environmental and profitable, simply because the amount of energy and resources that are required are huge. Therefore, despite of, that was Mirio, therefore this, I didn't do anything. Go back. Okay. Therefore, despite of endless efforts and incentives, only 9% of the plastic is being recycled. And the thermodynamic analysis takes it out. It doesn't matter which technology are you using, whether it's gasification or pyrolysis. It just doesn't really matter. So our concept relies on recycling two streams at the same time, one endothermic and one exothermic, and balancing the energy and resources required between them. So the other source of the other stream we found is aluminum-containing waste, mainly food-grade packaging, which contains a very thin, unrecoverable layer of aluminum and polymers, plastic. So our system, in our process, the aluminum-containing waste goes into the first reactor, where through a spontaneous hydrolysis reaction, the aluminum is turning into alumina, and heat and hydrogen are being emitted. The alumina is then recovered and going back to the circular economy, while the heat and the hydrogen and the remaining polymer go into the second reactor along with unsorted plastic waste. The heat is used then to decompose the polymer and plastic under hydrogen environment, producing there a decarbonized fuel, but high quality decarbonized fuel. Referring to previous talk, this is after hydrocracking, because we already have the conditions to do hydrocracking on spot. To summarize it, two waste streams go in, two high quality products go out, and we didn't use any external energy, any combustion, any associated carbon footprint. So how big is this market? Aluminum containing waste is 5% of our residential and commercial waste. That means we can recycle up to 66% of plastic waste today. How profitable it is? The most conservative model shows that prior to any incentives we get an ROI of less than 4 years. We have obtained a full POC in working environment. We can take this waste and getting the distillates and alumina out of it, and we can show that we have not only working top down, bottom up, so we're also working top down. We have established enhanced process flow diagram of the full commercial scale plant, mapping all engineering challenges and solving them by a London-based engineering team, key geography patterns, and work plan, a semi-commercial plant within the next 2 years, and a full scale in 5. A highly experienced team with scale-up capabilities and intimate connections to future market and strategic player. To summarize, we have the 91% of unrecycled plastic stream is our blue ocean to grow in. We can use it without any incentives. We can work anywhere, even outside of the EU, and we can use unsorted plastic waste. Thank you.
Thank you.